Class, doesn't this book look interesting? Food trappers. There are all kinds of unique plants, and I was inspired to read this to you because of how interesting God has made so many things. Like in our devotional today when he talked about the bromeliad plant and how unique that is, and it's made for the habitat of animals in the rainforest. Let's find out some other unique plants. Now, when I look at this, does this look like somebody has drawn the illustrations? I don't think so either. The story is by Diana Noonan and the photographs are by John Parsons. So John Parsons took the pictures of this book called Food Trappers. Let's read about some unique plants. Food trappers. I think I'll do it like this today. Here you go. Plants need food to help them grow. They use their roots to collect food from the soil. There's a close-up of a bunch of roots. You could probably go into your yard and pull up a weed and investigate the roots, couldn't you? Their leaves can turn sunlight into food too. Isn't that interesting how God designed the leaves to collect the sunlight, which makes the food the plants need? There we go. Some plants need extra food. The sundew plant and the Venus flytrap catch food by trapping and eating insects. If you look down, oh, well look, they're kind of translucent, aren't they? That Venus flytrap on the right, if you look carefully, it has some black in it. I think that might be an insect stuck in there. And can you see an insect on the other plant, that sundew plant? I think I see one down there. It's interesting that some plants eat insects, isn't it? The leaves of a sundew plant are covered with tiny sticky arms. When an insect lands on a leaf, it sticks to the plant. So here's kind of a close-up of those sticky arms. And do you see the fly that got caught? Interesting design. The arms of that sundew plant bend over the insect and hold it tight. The sundew plant eats its meal by dissolving it in a special juice called an enzyme. So it doesn't have teeth and chew it, does it? It has an enzyme and it turns it almost like into a milkshake, and it kind of dissolves it into liquid and then absorbs it. Here's a close-up of that sundew plant. And it looks like it might have a wasp or two or three stuck to its leaves. Oh, maybe that's not a wasp. Look how long those wings are. It's a really big insect that plant was able to catch. When the plant has finished its meal, the arms open and the leftovers are blown away. The arms of those leaves roll up tight, and then when it's dissolved the insect and absorbed what it needs, it unrolls its leaves, and then the leftovers just blow away. And here's a close-up of that. See how the leaves are unrolled again? Let's learn more about the Venus flytrap. You ready? The Venus flytrap catches insects with special traps on the ends of its leaves. Look there. They look kind of prickly, don't they? The traps smell good to an insect. When it lands on the plant, the trap closes around it. So that insect was lured in by the smell of the Venus flytrap. And when it got close enough, Look at what that plant did. This is our last page. The traps are very strong. They squeeze together to hold the insect inside. The Venus flytrap has another meal. Can you see those insects in there? Huh. Plants are kind of amazing, aren't they? And we're going to keep learning about them this week.